Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL 3X from 2020 and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find and select the settings. Now let's scroll and tap on the security, it's right here, and scroll down again to the encryption and credentials. Let's enter it. And as you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got the clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. If you are ready to remove all the contents, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your ALCATEL 3X 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.